If ChatGPT is unable to upload your file, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your file uploaded successfully. This is a really common issue, and most of the time it's caused by a file format problem, a file size issue, a browser glitch, or even something as simple as a permission setting. So stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, let's check the file size and format. ChatGPT does support certain file types, like PDF, JPG, PNG, and docx. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your file is actually in a supported format. If it's not, you may need to convert it before uploading. Also, if the file is too large, that can cause the upload to fail. Large files often run into problems, so try reducing the file size if possible. For example, if it's a PDF, you can compress it. If it's an image, you can resize it or save it in a smaller format. This one step alone solves the problem for a lot of people. Now let's move to the second fix, which is to refresh and re-upload. Sometimes ChatGPT just has a temporary loading issue, and the easiest solution is to refresh the page and try again. So go ahead and reload the browser, then attempt the upload one more time. If the first attempt failed because of a temporary bug or a stalled connection, a simple refresh may clear it up immediately. It's a very quick fix, but it works surprisingly often. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to try is clearing your cache or switching browsers. Over time, browser cache and cookies can cause strange upload problems, especially if the page data becomes corrupted or outdated. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then reopen ChatGPT and try uploading again. If you still have trouble, test a different browser altogether. Chrome and Edge are both good options, and switching browsers can help you find out whether the issue is browser-specific. If it works in one browser but not another, then you've narrowed down the cause. Next, check your internet connection and permissions. A stable internet connection is very important for file uploads. So if your connection is weak or dropping out, the upload may fail halfway through. Make sure you're on a reliable network before trying again. Also check your browser file permissions to make sure ChatGPT is allowed to access the file you're trying to upload. In some cases, your browser may block the upload window or prevent access to the file location. And if you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with uploads or trigger connection problems, so turning it off may fix the issue right away. So to recap, if ChatGPT is unable to upload your file, start by checking the file size and format, then refresh and re-upload, then clear your cache or switch browsers, and finally confirm your internet connection, permissions, and VPN settings. In most cases, one of these 4 fixes will solve the problem without much effort. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having issues, leave a comment and I'll try to help you figure it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.